So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a table of content in Microsoft Word and how to use it to navigate your document easily. So this is super helpful if you're working on a long document like reports, research papers, or manuals. So without wasting time, let's dive in. So here, once you have your document done, if you've written your document and you've edited everything, based on the guidelines that you've been given by your supervisor or maybe your manager, and you're done developing your document, and you find out that you need to have a table of content that will guide the people who are going to read your document. You need to use this way of putting headers in there automatically and developing a table of content automatically. And the first thing that you'll do is you will highlight these headings that you have and the subheadings so that you can make them as the first header or the second header. So for you to do that, you go to the Home tab in your Microsoft Word, then highlight the header that you want to put, then go to this section where you have styles. Since this is our first header and it stands on its own, it will be header 1. Click on it like that. And when you click on header 1, you realize that the font size changes and even the color of your header changes. So you have to make sure that you are always working with the given font type and also the font size. So if you're using Times New Romans, stick with Times New Romans and the font size is 12. And also go to this section where you can change the color of your wording, put it automatic and make sure you bold it. So that one, when I hover my cursor there, immediately it shows that there is a header here. So if I click on it, it highlights this header 1. So then we do the same to the second header. It is header 1 like that. Then you go ahead and take Times New Romans, font size 12, black color, then bold it like that. But now the next thing you realize that this section that has Mercury, Venus, Earth, all of these are the subheadings of planets. So what we will do is we will highlight all of them like this using you click your control key and you hold it, then you left click and you hold, then you highlight all your headers like this. Then now this one will be our headers too because they are under planets. Then we can go ahead and put the Times New Romans. The font size remains 12. Then give it a black color, then bold our subheaders. Then when we are on the conclusion side, we also, this stands on its own. You can also go ahead and give it Times New Romans, then the font size 12. If you have the references down there, you can also go ahead and do the same thing. So it depends on how long your document is, but I'm just using this as an example. So you might have another header, like for example, down here, if you have another uh, uh, header down on Mercury, you can go ahead and also put something like so this one will this one is supposed to be 1.11, then this is supposed to be 2, so it's supposed to be like that. Then this one is supposed to be like 3, like that, just for correction. Then you can also continue like that. If you are working with a thesis or a project, you find out that you have this chapter 1 section that has the introduction, or chapter 2 section that has the introduction, something like that. So you can be putting them as header 1, header 2, header 3. You can find all the styles here, and if you want to find more, you just click on this, then they will highlight themselves here. Then you can go ahead and apply and put the headers in there. Now let's go ahead and generate the table of content manually, automatically, so that every time you have to do anything in this document or in your thesis or your report, it will be updating automatically. So for you to do that, you go here you go on you have this section on the tabs up here. So for you to insert the table of content, you go to references, click on references. Then here you have this ribbon that shows we have the table of contents here. We have add text, update table, and other stuffs like this one. I've also done videos on how to insert table of figures and also inserting the index, inserting the table of authorities. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe so that you can practice with those videos so that you can sharpen and elevate your skills on using Microsoft Word. So I'll go ahead and click on table of contents. Once you click on it, you can select the type that you want. So here we have the built-in format, but with the academicians normally use this the second one, automatic table 2. So click on it. Once you click on it, you find out that immediately it generates your table of content. So I think there is something here. So that one will automatically generate the table of content. So you find out that most these are automatically generated. Let me take it back. I just nice. Now we are here. We have our table of content. Now, if you find that if you're working with a long document, your table of content will be quite longer, so it will not be like this one. So highlight it, go back to the home tab, then make sure it's Times New Romance, and the font size is 12, like that. Then you can go ahead and also check the paragraph the way you want it to look like. I like it being justified, so click on it based on the way you want, and bold it like that. Then go ahead and highlight this topic and center it in the middle. Then you also have these sections. If you want to edit your sections to make sure that this one, make sure it's a black color, then it's bold, it's black, and it's bold, like that. Then I've also done videos on numbering your pages so that they appear nicely and your table of content is well updated, so you can check them on this channel later if you're practicing with it. Then once you have your table of content, if you're working with a very long document like a report or something like that, what you'll do is you want to navigate easily in this thing. So you go to View tab. Then when you click on View tab, you have this navigation pane. Once you check it, and all of your table of content or your headers will be here. So if I want to go to Earth, I will just click Earth here. Then it will immediately take me to this section. If I want to click on Introduction, it will still take me back to the introduction. Then if I want to click on Planet, the same. Going to Conclusion, the same. So this one makes you to access your pages quite easily and the content that you are working with. Then you are also, if you can work with pages, we are only having 2 pages here. You can also work with results, but here we are working with headers, and we have created our table of content, and it's the one that is guiding us to go on different sections. And that is it. You've just now learned how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word and how to use the navigation pane like a pro. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy Microsoft Office tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.